Your Honor, yung misis ko po ay nagpadala po dito ng ng excuse letter po. Na hindi po siya makakarating dahil po sa mga valid reason po. Bali may po siya yung may heart condition din po siya at saka po nagpadala po siya ng letter po dito. Hindi ko...
I can no longer cancel the meeting set for tomorrow. As such, I'm sincerely sorry that I will be unable to attend the committee hearing. I fully understand the importance of the committee's work and the seriousness of the matter at hand. I hope that my absence shall in no way be construed as a reflection of my respect for the committee and its mission. I humbly request the committee's understanding and patience in this matter.
Nagsinungaling ka, binabastos mo kami, niloloko mo kami. Diba?
This hearing is of national interest. Huwag niyan lulukuhin itong hearing na ito. Huwag niyan bababuyin itong hearing na ito. Dahil the Filipino people are watching.